The market was just shocked by Vikram Pandit's resignation. It comes at a time when he seems to have been riding high. The bank reported great earnings yesterday. He gave no indication on conference calls that anything was wrong. And he is slowly bringing the bank back from the brink of disaster. So markets don't know what's going on, why he's resigned. They're just focused on his successor. And we know a lot about him. The only thing that nobody knew was that he was anywhere near to succeeding to the top of the third largest bank in the country. He gets a lot of credit. He currently runs Citi's Europe, Middle East, and Africa businesses. Major important for a bank because they're the most international of U.S. banks. He got there because he's credited with managing down their portfolio of billions of dollars of assets that they claim are non-essential, and they had to get rid of those because their capital situation was so bad. So he sold $500 billion of those assets or more in a very short period of time. Before that, he ran some of their credit card businesses. He's a Harvard educated, I think 50-year-old man, now CEO of a bank, and no one, he was considered a front runner to succeed Pandit someday, but nobody expected that day to be anywhere near now. Pandit himself is a relatively new arrival at Citi. He used to run investment banking at Morgan Stanley. He went off and started a hedge fund. Within just 2 years, I believe, of running that fund, he sold it to Citi for more than $800 million. He brought over his aide-de-camp at Morgan Stanley, John Havens, to be president with him. Havens is also resigning today, so now there's just a big question mark over Citi, and I believe the stock is reflecting that. I think the last time I looked, it was down $1 in pre-market trading.